Alabama the Beautiful, Orange Beach and Gulf Shores, Nature's Playground, canoe trails, kayak trails, bike trails, foot trails, zipline trails, and the Gulf Coast's most popular trail, the Sassy Trail. Only the Sassy Trail features 4 distinct restaurants with different names, different menus, different atmospheres, but one thing in common: great food. Journey to Amazin Grill for locally grown Navy Cove oysters. Cruise to Island Grill for cornflake crusted French toast, fresh squeezed orange juice, or a grouper Reuben. Stroll over to the Crazy Donuts for a fried chicken and egg donut meal. Or take to the boat to the Caribbean Grill for conch fritters and coconut. Can't decide? Take the Sassy Trail Challenge. Visit every location in 1 week and you could win a $500 gift certificate. SassyBassMarketplace.com